Good afternoon to all of you. I, Dr. Bikash Burman, Assistant Professor, Department Geography, Malda Women's College. I am going to present my seminar presentation on the given topic, which is entitled as Role of Micropollutants Causing Environmental Damage. Today, we will learn about the different aspects of micropollutants with reference to environmental damage. We will discuss about the what are the micropollutants, what are the different types of micropollutants, what are the sources of micropollutants, what are the receptors of micropollutants, how micropollutants are entering in the environment, how micropollutants affect the environment and human health, and finally how micropollutants can be reduced. In introduction, it can be said that climate change is now act as serious global problem which is occurred due to different human activities. As a result, environmental pollution or environmental degradation is increasing day by day. The world is becoming polluted day by day. The harmful pollutants are responsible for the environmental degradation as well as environmental pollution or damage due to the different types of human activities in the modern society. With the passage of time, society becoming modern and industrial, and different types of pollutants also increasing. Mainly micropollutants are one of the important culprit for the environmental damage. The whole world are very worried about the serious problem, and India also introduced new environmental policy for the environmental protection from the adverse effect of different micropollutants which are coming from different sources as well as industry, pharmaceuticals, hospital drugs, etc. Now the question is, what are the micropollutants? Mainly micropollutants are the natural or synthetic substances that enter the environment as a result of human activity via wastewater. Another way it can be said that micropollutants are small sized chemical substances present in the environment and pose a significant threat to the human health as well as the environment as well as the ecosystem. There are different types of micropollutants such as pharmaceutical drugs, industrial chemicals, agricultural products, personal care products and surfactants. The micropollutants are coming from the different sources like hospitals, and domestic water wastewaters, industrial wastewater, agricultural runoff, medical institution effluents, landfills and leakages. And the receptors for the micropollutants are soil, sediments, rivers, groundwater, drinking water, food chain, etc. Now coming to the point, how micropollutants are entering to the environment. There are various ways or paths by which micropollutants can easily enter to the environment, such as from the farmland, from the use of different accessories by the modern civilized society, from the hospitals and healthcare centers, from the different types of modern industries. Micropollutants are mixing with the environment easily, which is very harmful for the environment as well as human health or human society. Next, coming to the point how micropollutants are cause for the environmental damage. Micropollutants have a significant impact on the environment. They can easily mixing with the soil, water, air, which is absorbed by the plants and animal, and that's way it causing damage to their biological systems. Some micropollutants can also persist in the environment for a long time, leading to long-term exposure and accumulation in the food chain. Mainly there are different types of micropollutants which have I have told earlier. One of the major micropollutants is coming from the pharmaceuticals, and it is the big culprit for the environmental damage. Mainly pharmaceuticals are the chemical substances which is used in healthcare, such as drugs, medicines, etc., which is easily mixing with the water, and that's why water ecosystem has been polluted. Also, there are another pathway for pharmaceuticals to enter the environment is through improper disposal. When we throw unused or expired drugs in the flush them down the toilet, they can also end up in water systems, and they can easily pollute the water. In this way, environment and human health are also affected by these micropollutants. Another one is heavy metals, and it also causes for the environmental damage as well as human health. Many heavy metals are a completely natural part of the environment, and some of them, including iron and zinc, etc., are actually essential to the human body's normal functioning. But the excessive amounts of these substances, which are released into the environment upon disposal or as byproduct of their use. As a result, the environment is gradually polluted by the excessive amount of arsenic, chromium, copper, iron, lead, mercury, and zinc. Another one is cosmetics and personal care products, which also act as a micropollutants and which is also for cause for the environmental damage. Today, we use so many household items in every day, such as cosmetics, lotions, and perfumes, which can enter water systems through showering, washing, and other personal care activities. Personal care products such as cosmetics, lotions, and perfumes are a common part of our daily routine. However, many of these products contain chemicals that can have harmful effects on the environment as well as human health. Another one is fertilizers, herbicides, and pesticides, which also cause for the environmental damage and which is one of the important micropollutants. Fertilizers, pesticides, and herbicides are chemicals that are used extensively in agriculture and gardening to protect crops and plants from pests, insects, and weeds. These chemicals can also harm non-target organisms, including beneficial insects, birds, and mammals, as well as humans who are exposed to them. One of the main ways that fertilizer, pesticides, and herbicides enter the environment is through the runoff from agricultural and gardening areas. During rains, these chemicals can be washed off the fields and gardens and easily enter nearby streams and rivers and lakes, and easily it mixes with waters, and then it polluted the water, and it damaged the aquatic ecosystem.